I've finished work. Hey, got the weekend off. At last. It's damn warm here. 19 degrees, yes. And we have a visitor. Yes. You may have seen her on such channels such as My Crazy Lush Addiction X. It is the one, the only.
Just make us feel self-conscious, Steve.
The very nervous Charlotte. Yay! There she is. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, Charlotte. Come on. Give everybody a smile. There you go. Yeah, she's coming to stay with us today. Georgia's going out trolling for boys. I'm sorry, going to pictures.
And getting pizza.
And getting pizza. What are you going to say the pictures again? Picking noisy bit of road. Paper towns. Paper towns. No, paper towns. Yes, if they can get in. Yeah, because they're underage, they're only 5, you know, so.
Thanks.
Charlotte keeps hiding. Tell you what, she's grown since I last seen her. I think she's been sleeping in a grow bag or something. Don't know where she gets the hide from. Because both her parents are short horses. So.
Yeah, imagine it's actually what's this.
Love you, Sandy. Love you, Geordie. Yeah, we got them for the weekend. Charlotte, that one. Yeah. Me and Denise are going to the Metro Centre as well because Denise busted with iron. Yes, we need a new iron. She broke it.
And she's busted
Because I ain't
because
that much stuff, you say.
Yes, that's true. And she's getting used to it. And Denise busted our toilet. I think it must have been the curry that Georgia made the other night. I think when Denise
I didn't make a curry the other night.
you did the pucker yellow curry.
That was like 7 years ago.
Yeah, but it's taking that long to go through Mum's system. And so when Mum's launched it into the toilet, she's busted it.
I don't think that would break the handle.
Right.
Or they're pushing the handle down going, it won't go. Anyway, so we're going to try and get that fixed. It's not your normal sort of lever one, it's a push button thing. So yeah, Charlotte, so you're going to have to pee into a bucket this weekend. Anyway, yes, so I'll get away. There's nice weather. And I'm sure Charlotte will speak to you later.
Hi.
Hi, Georgia. Yes, she's there. Sorry, I forgot to point the camera at her. She's here. Yeah. No. Toodle pip for now. Bye, everybody. Bye. I forgot to mention her in the back there, Charlotte. Changed her channel name again. God, she's worse than what I used to be with me mobile phones. Yes. What is it this time?
It's just Charlotte.
It's just Charlotte. So, do they just type Charlotte in? Or?
No, it's just Charlotte.
It's just Charlotte. The words. It's just Charlotte. Don't put just Charlotte. It's just Charlotte. You know what I mean? Any couple of letters? Any weird letters at the end like XZ? No. Smiley faces? No. It's just Charlotte. How long are you keeping this one for? Forever. Right. To anybody that's been on My Crazy Lush Addiction X, pop across. It's just Charlotte. Yeah, apparently she's keeping this one forever. We'll hold her to that. Yes.
We'll see next week.
Yeah, we'll see next week. Well, couldn't find the iron we wanted at the Metro Centre, so we've come to Tesco. Tesco Extra, yes indeedy. So we're going to go here, see if we can find it, and also get a new quilt, duvet. What's the difference between a duvet and a quilt?
Well, the duvet is a bit that goes inside the quilt cover.
So what's a quilt? Surely a quilt is what goes inside a quilt cover, and a duvet goes inside a duvet cover.
I don't know.
Don't know the difference. Tell us what the difference is if anybody knows the difference between a duvet and a quilt. Yeah, so we need to get a new one for Georgia because hers is like raggedy and falling to bits. So we've come here and we'll have a look at for irons at the same time. Ooh, I forgot there's a Starbucks here, isn't there? Yes. Get in, Starbucks. Hey, trolley back. Get some money. Hey. Sod's law. Well, we're back home now. Been to Tesco. We've got ourselves an iron and duvet or quilt, whatever. Got food and everything for tea. Even got the washing out. It's lovely. So hot today. I knew it was only forecast for 18 degrees, but last time I checked it was 19, and I'm not sure if it might even be hotter than that now. So yes, I've even dug out my old Ray-Bans, which the story behind these, my dad found these when he was out walking one morning along the seafront. So I says, do you want them? And seen them, oh hell yeah, too right. Then turn around, they are Ray-Bans, proper Ray-Bans. Got the thing on the lens, but it's actually all etched on the lenses as well, which Ray-Bans are, and actually etched into the lens, the B and L. But I have yet to find out what model Ray-Ban they were. Now he found these, must be looking somewhere 15-20 years ago they were found, so they're quite an old model. And I've never ever seen another pair of Ray-Bans like these, either on the internet or anybody wearing them. So I wish I could find out. I think I've even been in touch with Ray-Ban before and they weren't sure what model they were. So, but they're definitely Ray-Ban. There you go. If anybody's a Ray-Ban expert out there, let us know. But yeah, I'm just relaxing. Got my new t-shirt on. Property of the pub. Please return immediately. Yeah, I'm saying new. Actually, got it from British Heart Foundation. £2.50 or £2.45, something like that, in a bargain. Yeah. Not a thing wrong with it. It looks like a brand new t-shirt. Yeah, Denise is in there. I don't know if she's trying out the new iron. She's desperate to try out this new iron and get George's new quilt duvet on the bed. And I'm going to have tagliatelle carbonara for tea. And it can't come soon enough because I'm absolutely starving. My stomach's rumbling. 10 to 7. Yes, it is. 10 to 7. 1850, as they say on other planets. What's the boss doing? Ready for the tablet.
Get the knife.
Does it all the time?
Hate pans.
Anyway, Denise has started the tea. Yes. Starving. There's the new iron. Russell Hobbs. Bit of advertising. Power Steam Ultra. 3,100 watts of glorious power. Lovely. And Denise is saying it's much better than the other irons that we've had.
Really good.
Good, good. Because it keeps it ironing, you know. Need me clothes.
I hate ironing.
You love ironing.
I hate ironing.
My excuse is I can iron, but standing there ironing actually aggravates my back. So
Actually, same here.
make your mind up. If you could go through childbirth, I could do anything. Yes. Hello. Oh. Yes. Tell you what, guys, I don't know what I've done to my ankle. I keep getting shooting pains through my ankles. Like it's a bit like a mild sort of like twist type of feeling, you know, like when you twisted your ankle. It hurted. I really need to go back to school. It's starting to sound like Georgia, put an Ed at the end of it. It hurt a few times today when I was pressing the clutch on the van. I was like, oh, it's shooting pains through my ankle. Really sore. And every now and then when I stand up, and it must be when I turn a certain way or whatever, it's like, oh, get that pain. Really sore. Yeah, I'm just catching up on a few videos. Even watched Stu Vlog's old one from 2012, going way back then into the time of the dinosaurs. It's when he got back home after the first YouTube gathering, when he was absolutely mortal, smashed out of his brains and tanked up completely on 2 pints of lager. Guinness, sorry, 2 pints of Guinness. Yes, that was a hell of a weekend.
That's how he's got his name, 2 pints stew.
Yeah, that's how he's got his nickname, 2 pints stew. And on the same weekend, Joe. Hi guys. No, that's Carl, isn't it? What is this? How is it? Hi, it's Joe here, or whatever she says. Yeah, she was absolutely kippered as well, but she put it down to tiredness.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, we saw what it was like. We had to get her back to the hotel room. That was not tiredness. But yeah, it's been great catching up on the old videos there. But I'm getting back to some more recent ones. I'm just about to start watching Let It Rain by The Real Brits in New York, NY. It's Sue. So I'm going to get back to that, and I'll catch you guys later. Bring it on. Bring it on, I say. Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, look at that. Carbonara. And tagliatelle carbonara with the cheese on top. And bread. And because Georgia's not here, I get the knob ends. Lovely.
No argument.
No arguments, yeah. Can't beat a knob end. Yeah, lovely. Look at that. Mine. Oh, mine. And there's 2 of them. Yes. Denise has gone to pick Georgia and Charlotte up from the Metro Centre. And I've been left to keep an eye on the chips and chicken nuggets that's in the oven there. Yeah. Just been watching a video there. It's a 1962 trip to Benidorm. It was done on somebody's cine camera. All those youngsters out there who won't remember them, they're like used GoPros and everything. Now, them days they had like quite a biggish camera and it took film. And it's weird watching it because it looks completely different. There's none of the big tall like high-rise apartment blocks, things like that. It looks really like flat and just in the start of its development as a tourist resort, I think, because I think Benidorm as a main tourist resort it's only been going about 40 something years. So and the airport I had to fly to, I think it was Valencia, which is up the coast from Benidorm. But it was quite funny watching it. I was saying to Denise, I said, you know what it is? We take it for granted these days. Yeah, fair enough. It's not cheap. Well, it is cheap, but it still costs quite a bit of money to go there. But these people went in the 60s. You probably had to be flipping really, really well off to do that. You actually fly all the way to Spain, go to Benidorm. You probably had to be quite wealthy to do that. And like Denise was saying, that in the 60s, even just owning a cine camera, you probably had to be quite well off to have one of them. So that was a luxury. So not forgetting, it's like stuff like that. It's still quite new, and like TVs. You had to be well off for TVs. I remember when they first come out, families coming around like share and come to your house and everything. Apparently, I can't remember it. Well, obviously, because I'm such a youthful young guy. But like first landing on the moon, people would be like into the neighbours' houses, all huddled around their TV, because not everybody had one. Not like these days where you not only got one TV, but there's probably TV in living room, sometimes the dining room, maybe if you want, or the relaxation room, snug, whatever. But in the bedrooms as well. Some people have even got them in the bathrooms, where they're built into the wall like a tile. But yeah, it's amazing how times change, isn't it? And things we take for granted now in the olden days. Well, the olden days, God, it sounds so old saying that, but like not that long ago, yeah, you didn't have a chance of getting stuff like that unless you were really well off and had lots of money. Yeah, but that's my sort of thoughts of the day. It's 9 o'clock at night. Oh, I don't know if you can see the clouds across there. Oh, they look lovely. Right up there. Very nice. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock at night. I think I better bring the washing in. Well, guys, it's that time of night again. That time it's 9:30 on a Saturday night, and Denise is back. What was the traffic like? Was it alright?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Metro Centre was chucker.
Was it?
The cars in the car park.
Alright. Well, the girls seem to enjoy the movie, which is good. And Georgia's got herself a couple of t-shirts there. Yes.
They're quite funny.
Loads of hang on, we'll get them. It's
She's got
that one first, yes.
She's got her own style.
Yeah, she's got her own style. It's like, check that out. All the monkeys. They see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Yes. And this one, it's like, and who else? The Minions! Yes, help London. Yeah, probably help London. Hello, London!
Oh, that's dead shiny.
Yeah, it's like a transfer thing, yes.
Banana!
Banana! Yeah, so we got that. They probably got makeup stuff, I don't know. Did they buy makeup? Anything from Lush? Anything they probably have, but just not told us yet.
Yeah. You never know.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't show them the cushion you bought, Georgia.
Oh, I know. Can I go and get it?
Yeah, go and get it. And she's back with the things. Yeah, well, I got this for the bed. Home Sweet Home.
God, I love a bargain.
Yeah. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all on price from Tesco, of all places. How much?
Should have been £6 and what, £2.
£2. Yes.
They also had a one with
So comfy.
with a pug on,
Yeah, a big pug's face.
which was so
Got to feel
sweet.
sorry for itself.
But saying that,
But-
well, like,
but- yeah,
we're in a
but
cat household.
yeah, we're in a cat household, so we've got this for Georgia and put it on a bed ready for coming back. Look at that little puddy tat. Oh, sweet dreams.
The nice cushions as
Yeah,
well.
that was only £2 as well, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
Sweet.
Cute. Cute. So yeah, and again, Denise didn't buy herself a cushion either. You know what I was saying? She never buys herself anything. Oh, hang on. She got herself an iron.
Whoopee!
Whee! Anyway, the girls are upstairs. They've probably got ready. Oh, girls are downstairs. Do you want to say goodnight?
Well, Charlotte's not here.
Oh, Charles. Do you want to say goodnight, or do you want to tell anybody what happened, what it was like? What?
You've had a good day, haven't you?
Tired.
You enjoyed the movie though.
Yeah. At the end, I nearly cried.
Oh.
But because what he, it wasn't what he said. It was the way it was said
Okay.
that made stop.
Okay.
Nearly cried, but I didn't. I
Uh,
tried to keep it together because I didn't want to look weird.
Okay. What was this about? You getting stuck in a lift?
Oh, it was.
Apparently they got stuck in a lift. That's an
Just
elevator,
put it
by
on
the way.
second.
I felt horrible though because Charlotte's scared of lifts. She was before we have lifts.
Okay.
And but when Charlotte went, oh, I want to go inside the lift, and I was like, well, why do you want to? Because he's scared of lifts. But when I went up to the lift, she was walking away, but I'd already pressed her for it to come down, and I went, oh, let's just go in anyway. So we went in, and she was, you know that shuffle thing you do with your feet.
Yeah,
She was trying to do that.
the dance.
Yeah, and it stopped for the doors to open, and it wouldn't open, and it just before we even got up to the bed, it started shaking and going like that, started making weird noises and shaking a little bit, and then when it took up a little bit and we're there. And Charlotte came out and went, I'm not going back in there. Just breathe.
Hey. Them drama lessons are working.
No, but I was scared because she doesn't like lifts, and she went in, and when it started doing it, she was going like that because she doesn't like it.
Yeah.
And I was scared in case she had a panic attack or something, and I would
Right.
feel horrible if she did.
She's fine though.
But yeah. But overall, you had a good time.
Yeah.
Uh,
And I had pizza.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pizza Express.
Pizza
I tell you what.
Express.
When they go out, they do it in style. They go out and they sit in a proper pizza place, not just go anywhere. They sit in a proper pizza restaurant, and excuse you. Then
Sorry, I've had Coke and fizzy water. And
to the pictures, buy themselves clothes, and I didn't see any Lush bags.
No, I was so surprised because Charlotte walked up to it and went
Did you have to drag
like
that
that,
back?
and I went, "You gonna go in?" She went, "Nah, for once I'm not gonna go in." I was like, "That's a surprise." I was like, "Cause she buys something all the time, every time she goes in." I went, "I'm staying outside." She went, "Oh, why do you want to stay outside?" I went, "Because it's too hot in there and it smells and stinks, but a nice smell."
Alright.
And you're wearing your new t-shirt.
Oh, well, my new t-shirt, yes.
Where's my new t-shirt?
So say I forgot what it says. Probably other pub. Please return immediately. I'm going to wear it on holiday in case I get lost.
And how much was it?
About £2.45 or something, wasn't it?
Not bad.
Yeah, really good. Bargain.
Hey, where's my t-shirt?
Too late, but I've already shown you.
Yeah, sure.
Aw. Oh, I'm supposed to show them because they're mine, man.
We didn't know you were coming down. Anyway, gonna get going. before my battery dies. So thanks for popping by. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. And Steve, I hope that back's easing up. Yeah, so be careful, take it easy. Yeah, and would like to send our best wishes to what's the proper channel name? Where the Millers? Yeah, Where the Millers. Oh, I can't pronounce his name. Caleb. Yeah, Caleb. He's like been really ill again with his asthma, I believe it is, and it's taken its toll on the family. So our best wishes go out to you all, and sending like love and thoughts your way. I'll put a link to your channel down below. Anybody that wants to pop across and find out what's happening, you can. So best wishes to you. So we'll get going for now and say goodbye. Bye. Look at it.
I'm getting the sauce up now. Wow! It's like a mixture of like barbecue and mayonnaise.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, hang on. I better do a Steve.